Welcome to the Nomadix Hotel Portal product demo, a solution that enables Passpoint authentication for all your guest devices. Quality hotel Wi-Fi is a top requirement. In fact, IDC research found that unreliable and slow connectivity is one of the most urgent operational challenges. Nomadix Hotel Portal is a complete Wi-Fi management platform for managed service providers and hotel IT teams. Designed for hospitality, it aligns with stringent brand standards. This robust and proven management platform offers personalized experiences with group management, analytics, reporting, branding, and more. Let's take a look at the solution. This is the dashboard to access all the features of Nomadix Hotel Portal. Here, you can access and manage users, devices, bandwidth, service tiers, and more. We offer detailed analytics of what's happening on your network, including daily trends of devices connected through the property, subscribers on the network, traffic analysis, bandwidth by location, browser statistics, and much more. There are also currently over 75 report options available. Additionally, there is customized branding for both the property and for events. This is an example of a branded landing page as part of the onboarding experience. Nomadix Hotel Portal enables hotels to manage groups and conferences for better attendee and event management experiences, and enables revenue generation. Features include tools to set up events, configure access codes, and create custom landing pages. Anyone joining the network has numerous authentication options, including MAC address, PMS integration, loyalty programs, social media, WeChat, vouchers, SMS, Passpoint, and more. Another important feature is that we offer multiple billing plan options for tiered services. You can set up, monitor, and manage subscriber activities. Nomadix Hotel Portal also enables the use of Passpoint certificates and resumes those certificates for simplistic authentication when the guest returns or visits another associated property. Nomadix. We are your single source supplier for all your personalized connectivity and digital engagement needs. Let us help you bring connected experiences to life.